Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate text using Reka AI for ideas, writing and everyday tasks. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your mobile or PC. Within the search bar, type reka.ai, then press enter as it will successfully redirect you to the official website page. On the home page, tap on Try Reka. If you have already logged in, you will be redirected directly to the Reka AI dashboard. Within it, look for Reka Chat from the Explore section or the website menu. Then tap on it. Now you will see the Reka AI chat interface. At the bottom of the screen, there is a text input box where you can type your request. Make sure to type what kind of text you want the Reka AI to generate. After typing your prompt, press enter or tap the send button. The Reka AI will generate the text in the chat area. You can now scroll and read it as well as copy it. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can just ask Reka AI to rewrite or improve it. In order to improve the results, ask follow-up prompts and then press enter or tap the send button. Now the Reka AI will update the overall text based on your prompt. If you are logging, your generated text is saved in the chat history and you can access full features. But if you are not, your chat history is not saved and some features may also be limited. So for best results, please make sure to be clear about what you want and also mention the tone, name or style, and that's how you can generate text using Reka AI easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.